Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix where Windows license will expire soon. Here you need to activate Windows in setting on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of two steps. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to search for Windows License Manager service. Just double click on it. Windows License Manager service. Click on this drop down and set this to disabled. And if the service status is running, then you just need to select stop the service. And after that, select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here. The same step, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it in command prompt and press enter. You will be get this message. After getting message, you just need to click on OK and just to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.